Hi, in this demo video we're going to take a look at automatic cluster selection, where Prism Central will automatically land your workload on a cluster that meets the requirements of the workload. Also load balancing based upon availability and performance. We will demo it with just a single VM creation and then a group of 10 VMs to show you the difference. Let's get started. So we're going to create our single virtual machine example here. We entered our name. We'll select auto cluster selection from the cluster deployment option. You have the option to select a specific cluster, but we wanted to do it automatically. The box shows any limitations that the feature has at this time. As an example, it doesn't support VMs that have GPUs attached to them. We'll attach a image to clone from to create our virtual machine, and then add a network to it. Now it can use VPC networks because they're available to all clusters controlled by the Prism Central instance, or if you use a PC DVS switch, so a virtual switch that's managed by Prism Central, it can use subnets off of that virtual switch because they can be available to multiple clusters. Now that we've selected our subnet, we can advance through the final steps and then just create our virtual machine. Rather than waiting for this one to create, which just takes a short amount of time, let's get started and create the pack of 10 virtual machines to show you how the process would work with multiple virtual machines so they can be automatically dispersed across the 3 clusters that we have in our example here. So we're going to create a pack of 10 virtual machines, the exact same process of what we used on our single VM example just before this. As we zip through this process, we can see our single virtual machine is already created and it's landed on one of our 3 test clusters. And in just a few moments here, when we refresh, we will see that our 10 virtual machines have been created also. And you can see that they are pretty evenly distributed across our 3 clusters. There are 3 on the first one, about 4 on the next one, and a 4 on the last one, it looks like also roughly. And our single virtual machine is landed on the 3rd cluster also. And from this you can see a simple example of how a single virtual machine workload and a multi-virtual machine workload would be landed on clusters via automatic cluster selection. Thanks for tuning in.